6, 7, 8. C'est deux pas sur un pied en arrière. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Encore. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restez comme ça, parce que ça habite. 5, 6, tête belle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ok, essayez tes doigts comme ça. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
I'm just saying you are really talking the meaning of the song. I remember the last class you saying that.
8. Focus. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Encore. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Il faut tourner de l'autre côté aussi.
Céline, il y a quelqu'un qui a dit que ton pantalon, ça marche bien à toi. Oh, Curtis, she said thank you. Oh, she pushed the pantalon on. Vas-y. Yeah. Good. She pushed the pants up, man. Okay, there you go. Okay. Oh, goddamn bunda.
1, 2, 3, 4. Faut tourner.
She more focused on the pantalon.
Selena,
Okay, vas-y. Oh, Lord.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Devant, droit devant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quand tu croises, ne sera comme ça. C'est droit devant. C'est 5, 6, 7.
Oh my God. John say, don't they though, Curtis, they hug her. Okay. The pantalon t'embrassé. Say, see. Yeah. Go back. Yeah, go back there. Oh, yeah, Selena, go back. Curtis and John are having a conversation about Celine pantalon. Yeah. Let's go. Who told you to put white pants? Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, music.
5, 6, 7, 8.
got one for there always.
Fique pensando se eu ia me enxergar.